Welcome to Daily Writing Journal. Now that we're done with the introductory paragraph, we can move on to our next 3 paragraphs, which are called the body paragraphs. This episode is Summer Adventures, Part 3, the body paragraphs. Let's look over our planning sheet from episode Part 1 to refresh our memory. Now I can start writing about each activity. As I said before, each activity will be a paragraph. Since I had 3 memorable things on my planning sheet, I'm going to have 3 body paragraphs. They are going to be my paragraphs 2, 3, and 4. Now, to begin my body paragraphs, I need to use my planning sheet and see what I wrote under each one. So, my second paragraph after the introductory paragraph is going to be about the beaches. It needs to include my details: soft warm sand, clear blue water, colorful fish, and beautiful sunset. I'm going to use colorful adjectives and descriptive words to make it interesting. Here's my second paragraph. To begin with, the beaches in Hawaii were amazing. The soft sand felt warm, and the clear blue water was cool when I splashed in it. I saw colorful fish while snorkeling and watched beautiful sunsets that painted the sky orange and pink. Did you notice that the words written in red are the details from my planning sheet? Look at your planning sheet and use those details in your paragraph. Now, pause the video and write your second paragraph. Let's move on to our next body paragraph. It's going to be about exploring. The details that I need to include are Diamond Head, helicopter ride, and waterfalls. Here's my paragraph. Next, exploring Hawaii was so exciting. I hiked Diamond Head, which is a volcano. At the top, I saw the whole island and the big blue ocean stretching out forever. My favorite part was riding in a helicopter and seeing huge waterfalls roaring down cliffs. It was a little scary at first being up so high, but then I started enjoying myself. Now, it's time for you to write your third paragraph. Pause the video. Our last body paragraph is going to be about food, and it needs to include the details: smoky Kahlua pig, sweet coconut dessert, pineapple ice cream, poke bowls, and spam musubi. Here's my paragraph. Besides all these fun activities, Hawaiian food was delicious. At a luau, I ate smoky Kahlua pig and sweet coconut dessert. I especially loved the pineapple ice cream and poke bowls with soft, salty fish. I even tried a spam musubi, which was yummy after a swim. Now, it's your turn. Look at your planning sheet and write your fourth paragraph. Pause the video to give yourself time to write. That's it for now. See you in the next episode, Part 4, the conclusion, where we close out your story. Great job, everyone. If you would like a copy of the writing journal or digital download to print, follow the link below to purchase the item. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to subscribe